Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today is one of the last episodes for Project Elsie that we are gonna have. So, let me show you what we're working on. So to make everything fit, I had to trim this part out right here, okay? So I'm gonna make a cover for that, and let me show you how we're gonna do that. All right, so I've taken a piece of cardboard and cut it to the basic shape here. So we'll take and I'll trim a piece of metal out. This piece of metal right here, okay? Like so-ish, kind of. And we'll use the grinder to cut that out. Then I'll have little tabs on it that will come off the side and it will fit on there nice and tight. See, it mostly fits. A little bit of trimming to do. Right in here, you probably can't see that. We'll start working it. Test fit. Cut that some. Oh snap. I mean, it don't get no better than that. It does, but not for the time we're gonna spend on it. So I'm gonna come in here, see how it fits. I'm gonna trim this up some. We'll bend this down so it protects the hoses that are behind it, and then we'll paint it. That I need to put on Project Elsie that I can think of. So I'm gonna have Steven come by and take a look real quick, make sure that I haven't missed anything or haven't thought of something over the weekend that I need to fix. So anyways, we'll let him get at it and then maybe we'll be done with Project Elsie. Steven gave his approval, so I'm gonna back the Land Cruiser out for possibly the last time. So I'm kind of excited, so let's get to that. All right, so for now, we're done with Project Elsie. That will conclude phase 1 of Project Elsie. I don't know if we'll have another phase on Elsie or not, but we're done with it. I'm officially gonna call the owner. Thanks for watching.